The best ideas come to life in Slovenia, the land of fantastic business opportunities, where creative authors at HOORAY Studios redefine the meaning of personalized gifts with books that spark magic in the hearts of children and adults alike. As one of the most rapidly growing Slovenian companies, HOORAY Studios has been creating tailor-made books inspired by the unique stories of children and adults for over a decade. By offering more than 1 billion possibilities of personalization, they allow customers to add a piece of themselves to the stories, bringing smiles to children's faces and tears of joy to parents and grandparents alike.
At HOORAY Studios, our mission is to spread joy and create lasting memories among loved ones. That's why we expanded our personalized books to celebrate moms, dads, grandparents, and even pets. Not only did this open exciting new market opportunities, but it also gave our customers the chance to spotlight every cherished family member. Our books are more than keepsakes. They are timeless treasures filled with emotion and magic. They're loved and endorsed by even the world's most popular celebrities.
HOORAY Studios initially offered 5 different personalized books. Now there are more than 80, which have been personalized over 3 million times and enjoyed by readers in over 20 countries around the world. With creative ideas such as personalized books and toys, HOORAY Studios captures the imagination of people across the globe and depicts every single family as the heroes they know they are. By being green, creative and smart, HOORAY Studios is an example of Slovenia's innovative and inspiring economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Write your own story in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.